Hello traders, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, May 22nd, 2025, we're taking a close look at USDCHF, combining news analysis with in-depth chart examination. Recent Google searches show mixed signals for the US dollar, with some reports of bearish trends influenced by US debt concerns. However, other reports indicate a potential for USD positive news, especially concerning trade and inflation expectations. We'll see how these factors play out in the charts. First, let's examine the daily chart. Over the past few months, we've seen a period of fluctuation, with some sharp drops followed by gradual recoveries. Zooming in a bit on the more recent action, we can see prices as high as 0.915 in May 2025, after a long climb up from lows in April around 0.81. Looking at this recent activity, the 0.91 level seems to be a major resistance. The uptrend from April was recently broken in mid-May. Now, let's look at the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view. On the 1-hour chart, you'll see a more detailed picture of recent price action, highlighting short-term trends and potential entry/exit points. Here on the 1-hour chart, we can see the choppy action which has resulted in a relatively flat trend the last few days. It looks like the pair has been bouncing between 0.82 and 0.83 for a week or so. Now let's examine the 15-minute chart to see in even more detail. There are multiple periods where the pair makes a sudden move down, but are quickly met with resistance. As of today, May 22nd, 2025, in the short term, USDCHF is currently trending sideways. If the dollar strength suggested by some news sources holds true, we might see a breakout to the upside. However, if debt concerns continue to weigh down the dollar, we could see a continuation of the downtrend from earlier this year. Keep an eye on news regarding U.S. economic data and any shifts in risk sentiment. A break below 0.82 or above 0.83 in the short term could provide a clearer directional signal. In summary, key levels to watch are the resistance around 0.91 and support near the April 2025 lows around 0.81. A break of either level would be significant. Pay close attention to upcoming economic releases, especially those related to U.S. inflation expectations and trade discussions. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.